In this video, I will show you how to charge your Hume band using the most effective accessories available today. When looking at how to power up your device, the main comparison lies between standard cables and specialized charging dock stations. A dedicated charging case with a USB-A connection offers a much more stable and secure fit than a loose cable, ensuring your Hume Health Band 1.0 stays in place while it refills. You should look for options that prioritize fast, safe charging to protect your battery health over time. While the Hume band is designed for daily wear, your choice of charger can make or break the convenience of your routine. A travel-friendly portable charger replacement is often the best trade-off for users who are always on the go, providing a compact dock that fits easily into a bag. These accessories are surprisingly affordable, often priced under $10, which makes them a great value compared to losing your only original charger. Whether you prefer a dock or a flexible cable, ensuring compatibility with version 1.0 is the most important standout feature to check before you buy. I hope this guide helps you keep your health tracker powered up and ready for your next workout. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more wearable tech tips. Let me know in the comments which charging setup you prefer.